Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and right now I will show you how you can easily create for yourself a Gmail account. Now, let's just start. First, what you want to do is go on gmail.com site and get create account. Let's start by changing the language to English so you understand. And let's start. My name is Marcus Stone. My username, my email will be. You can choose whatever you want. So let's say Marcus Tonelius 123. Password, I will just make it up. You can check it out if you go here. I'm not going to use this account, so it doesn't really matter. Next. Now you need to verify your number. So what do you want to do? You just write here your personal number, click next, and you will get a verification code on your mobile phone. And I'm still waiting. Oh, it's here. Now what I'm going to do, you can insert your recovery email address if you would like. Month where you were born. Let's say that I'm in August 2019, 1996. Gender. This is also completely up to you. You don't need to say it, but I'm male. I'll be honest, I'm proud of being male. Okay, now let's continue. Next. Now, for example, okay, skip. Just these are the terms and conditions. I agree, create account. Okay. You just go, through it. You don't need to really care too much about it. And it's just creating an account right now. And here you go. So this is how we got to create an account. Okay. And how easy was that? And you got it. Now you can compose an email. I'm going to write to myself. Marcus Tonelius, how is it? 123 gmail.com, subject 1, message 1. I'm going to send it, and right here it appeared. So I got the email here, and then you have a social where you're going to have ads and someone like newsletter promotions are also like ads that you will see there. And now if you go to more, you got start, which are you going to, if you're going to start your message, you can see it here. Snooze is when it's snooze. Send the messages that you send. I send it to me. Drafts, if you're gonna start writing an email but you didn't finish it, it's draft. Then you have important, chats, schedule, trash, etc. So that's kind of it. You can also create a new labels. New label here, label name. Let's call it important emails. Okay, and you can see it here. You can insert conversation. So that's how we do it. And you got all the stuff here that you want to play with. So this is how you do it. And this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed how you can create for yourself a Gmail account. If you have any questions about the Gmail, write me in comments and I will make a tutorial on it. Thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya.